Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Google Calendar on your mobile devices. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So in your phone, first of all you need to open up the Play Store here, and then you need to basically search for this option here where it says Calendar, and then basically we will just open up this Google Calendar here. Okay, so you need to basically install this application in your Android or iOS phones, and then you will basically open up this application. And now here you can see that we have this calendar here of June, and now basically there are couple of options that I want you to show. If you want to change the view, you can tap on these three lines at the top left here, and you can change the view. Let's suppose if you want the weekly view, just tap on week. If you want 3 days view, if you want day view. So that's how you can basically change your views here. And if you want to change your account, your Gmail account, just tap on your profile picture at the top right, and you can select any account from here. And if you want to open up the settings option for this, you will tap on these three lines and scroll down until you see this settings option. And then let's suppose if you want to make a new event or a task or a reminder, you will tap on this plus icon at the top left at the bottom right here, and then you will see three options. The first one is a reminder, then task, and then event here. So let's suppose if I wanted to make a new task, I will tap on task here. I will give it a name. Let's suppose I will give it a name, and then I will add some details about it if I want. And if this task is to be on all day, I will set it to all day, or separately I will choose a time, and then I will choose a date. So let's suppose I want this task to done on 17th of June, and then basically I will just save it. And now here you can see that we have this task. Okay, so in the same way you can basically add events and reminders as well. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.